Okay, so I am trying to do something that I thought was going to be like really simple. And as you can see, I'm in this YouTube studio. Well, I'm not, I don't, I'm using the YouTube studio beta, although I'm not in the studio right now. I'm just in my channel. I thought this was going to be really simple. So what I do is I go to playlists, and I have a playlist right here that I want to basically add a video to. Okay, so I click on full video playlist and I click on the edit button. Okay, and this is the way I thought it was supposed to work. Here I see all of my videos on this particular playlist, right? And I've got a big button right here that says add videos. You would think that would be pretty straightforward, right? Well, it isn't, because when I click this, I get this stupid pop-up that says Google. In order to select an item from your online storage, please sign in. What? I don't want to select an item from my online storage. I just want to add a video that I've created. And I'm already signed in to YouTube, so why am I getting this? Okay, and by the way, if I try to click sign in, I get this pop-up that comes up for a second and then immediately disappears. So I'm completely stuck at this point. I'm using Safari. I'm actually running High Sierra as my operating system on a Mac. But at this point, as you can see, I'm stuck. Can anybody offer comments below? Hopefully somebody from the YouTube team, and tell me how to do this simple task. What should be a simple task. Just want to add a video. Okay, specifically, if I go back to, let me see if I can get back to it. Go to my videos. Because this video right here, okay, this is the one that I want to add, all right? It's just, you know, I can go in here and I can get the URL to the video and everything else, but how in the world, when I'm back here on my playlists and I'm looking at this particular playlist, which I'm using, I have this playlist embedded on a WordPress website. I just need some help, folks. This is just not making sense, and it's extremely confusing. Any help would be greatly appreciated.